Ever wondered if there's a natural alternative to Viagra? A remedy that doesn't require a prescription, a trip to the pharmacy, or even a hefty bill? Well, the answer lies in your kitchen. The secret is a mixture of three simple ingredients: watermelon, lemon, and pomegranate. This triad of natural wonders is not only delicious, but also holds the key to unlocking your potential and increasing your pleasure. How do these ingredients work, you ask? Watermelon is the star of this natural solution. It's often referred to as a natural Viagra by health researchers and scientists. It's not just a refreshing summertime snack. It's a libido booster, especially beneficial for men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. So, how do you prepare this natural Viagra? It's simple. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 of a watermelon, 1 lemon, and 1 pomegranate. Next, toss all these ingredients into a blender and mix them well. Once they're blended into a smooth juice, pour it into a bottle and store it in the refrigerator. To consume, drink 1/3 cup of this juice on an empty stomach every morning. Repeat this process before dinner. This healthy and natural juice will not only improve the blood flow to your intimate parts, but also help you perform better in bed. Best of all, this mixture can be used by anyone, regardless of gender or age. It has no side effects, making it a safe, natural, and effective solution to enhancing your intimate experiences. So why not give it a try? Start your journey to better intimacy with this natural Viagra recipe. It's a simple, healthy, and effective alternative to traditional remedies, and it's right there in your kitchen.